In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Creative Cloud free trial for PC and Mac. First, click the link in the description or on this page to head straight to Adobe's free trial page. This link will take you to the official Adobe website where you can get started safely and securely. Next, click on Free Trial and select the plan that works best for you. Adobe offers a variety of options based on your needs, including the entire Creative Cloud suite, or a single app like Photoshop or Premiere Pro. For this tutorial, I'm choosing the All Apps plan, which includes access to over 20 Adobe tools. But the choice is yours. Now log in or create a free Adobe account. It only takes a minute, and you only need your email address. Once your account is set up, Adobe will guide you through downloading the Creative Cloud desktop app. Just follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Once installed, you can access all your trial apps from the Creative Cloud dashboard. And that was it. Subscribe, it's free.